Good morning, students. Today we shall continue exercise 5.4. Yesterday you have completed up to question number 18. Today we will be doing question number 19 and 20 only, because recently we have got the curtailment of syllabus, split up syllabus for all the subjects. Clear? So new split up syllabus will be given to you very shortly, in which some of the questions of many exercise are cut off because of the shortage of time and the lockdown. So we will be doing only question number 19 and 20 in this exercise. In these questions we will be writing the statements. Okay, these questions are real life questions. Okay, these are application based questions, so read the questions carefully before solving it. Okay, question number 19. Rinky read 1 by 3 part of a book on Monday, 1 by 8 part on Tuesday, and 1 by 12 part on Wednesday. What fraction of the book did she read in these 3 days? Okay, so what you need to do, we will be adding all the parts of the book read by Rinky in these 3 days. Okay, so here we are going to start. So write it. Part of book read on Monday. Part of book read on Monday, which is 1 by 3. Clear? Again, part of book read on Tuesday equals to 1 by 8. Part of book read on Wednesday equals to 1 by 12. So what we need to do, we need to find total part of the book read in these 3 days. Okay, therefore total part of book read in these 3 days equals to what you will do, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. Now see, here we are adding fractional numbers. So what is the next step? Next step is we will be finding LCM of all the denominator, LCM of 3, 8 and 12. You know how to find the LCM? 3, 8 and 12. 3 is not in 2's table, so write it 3. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Clear? 2 1s are 2. Clear? 3 1s are 3. So we have got the prime factors as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Clear? Now write all the fractional number. Now convert this denominator to 24. The 3 into what makes 24? 3 8s are 24. So take 8 at numerator also. Plus 1 by 8. 1 by 8. 8 into what makes 24? 8 3s are 24. So here, and 1 upon 12. 12 into what makes 24? 12 into 2. So take 2 here also. Okay. So 1 8s are 8. 3 8s are 24. 1 3s are 3. 8 3s are 24. Plus 1 2s are 2. And 12 2s are 24. Now what is the next step? See here, all the denominators are like. So take a common 24. Clear? Now add 8 plus 3 plus 2. Clear? So 8 plus 3 plus 2, how much? 8 plus 3, 11 and 2, 13 upon 24. See here, 13 upon 24 is a proper fraction. So this is the answer if it is not reduced to the simplest form. Clear? So question number 19 is solved here. Let's read question number 20. Rishabh spent 1 by 4 of his pocket money on buying a book. Clear? And 1 by 14 of the pocket money on lunch. Clear? What fraction of the pocket money did he spend? What you will do? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 14. You will be adding. You will be adding. Clear? So question number 20 you can do as homework. Question number 20 you can do as homework. I have already informed you that there is a curtailment in the syllabus. It means syllabus is reduced for the session 2020 and 21. Clear? 2020 and 2021. So there are some changes in the split up syllabus. We will be giving you the split up syllabus very soon. And in this syllabus, question number 21, 22 and 23 is not, these questions are not there. Okay, so we will not be doing these questions. If you want to do, you can practice these questions at home. If you find any confusion in solving these questions, you can contact me. Okay, till then you complete this exercise. In the next class we will be doing degree of closeness of a fraction. Clear? Till then, bye bye.